Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord. Absentee landlord is a term used in real estate and property management. It refers to a property owner or landlord who does not actively manage or oversee their properties and may not be physically present in the area where their properties are located. Here are some examples. Example number 1, dealing with repairs and maintenance has become a challenge because our landlord is an absentee landlord who rarely visits. Why absentee landlord used in example number 1. Absentee landlord is used to describe the landlord's lack of active involvement and physical presence, which creates difficulties in managing the property. Example number 2. Tenant complaints about property issues often go unanswered due to the absentee nature of the landlord. Why absentee landlord used in example number 2. In this context, absentee landlord is used to explain why tenant complaints may not receive prompt responses. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.